Hey Full Fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Excuse my voice in advance, guys. I'm still getting over a cold. But in today's video, I'm gonna be doing these beautiful butterfly locks in my hair. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing this style on my hair fully washed with no products in it. I actually did not blow dry my hair. I let it stay in overnight so it could air dry. That way I minimize heat damage, and for this hairstyle you don't really need your hair to be blow dried. So yeah. For this style, you're gonna need to use some water, a leave-in conditioner for moisturization, shining gem to hold the hair, an edged toothbrush, and also a red cell comb, some hair ties to separate the hair, and a detangling brush to detangle my hair. Pretty self-explanatory. But first, I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair on the top of my head across. I don't really know how to explain it, but I'm not too specific when I'm parting my hair. I don't have a specific pattern. I just like to free part, and wherever I come up with, I just make it work. With this style, I didn't want it to take too long, so I ended up cornrowing down the middle of my head, and I left the perimeter of my head out just so I could make individual locks with those. So here I'm just going to show you that for each of the cornrow. I know they look thick, but all I'm going to do is crochet them onto themselves, and y'all trust me, you're gonna see the vision. Right now it's looking a little blurry, but we got this. Anyways, this is the hair crocheted onto itself, and now I'm just gonna part away however I please. It doesn't really matter as long as they are individual sections. But as that is happening, I want to take this time to thank Toyotress for sponsoring this video. They were kind enough to send me their vibrant pre-loop butterfly locks, and I am so excited to share this experience with you guys. This was actually my very first time doing butterfly locks, so the fact that I had good quality hair to do it, we could always appreciate that. I am gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like and everything, and if you guys are interested, their link will be down below in my description box. They are having a 15% discount sale right now, so if you're interested, go ahead and purchase the hair or any other type of hair that you like. Also, if you're interested in more of their discounts, you could follow their Facebook group page where you get the insight on all of their sales. Again, all of that will be down in the description box below. Alright guys, so this is their pre-looped butterfly locks. It is 24 inches in the color T27, and also there are 8 packs of 10 in there. As you guys can see, it did come with a crochet needle, which is so imperative because I did not have one. But this is what the hair looks like, and surprisingly enough, it matched my hair color perfectly. But the thing is, I didn't even tell them my hair color, so the fact that they got that right shows that they pay attention and they put a lot of thought into what they do, and I really appreciate that. But this is what the hair looks like. The loops are actually pretty big. Normally lock loops are not as big, but you could easily insert the end of the hair onto itself, so that makes for an easier installation process. Okay, so this is the method that I came up with. I'm gonna take a braid, make sure it's not too tight because your lock does have to glide through the root of the braid. I'm gonna insert my crochet needle into the braid, and then I'm gonna grab the lock and pull it through, and the end of the lock, I'm gonna insert it through that loop of the lock. You get it? So I'm gonna keep doing that, and I'll let you guys see how I tuck in my actual braid, because as you guys can see, it's still gonna be left out. Over here, you want to make sure that you're pulling the lock, like to tighten it really slowly, because it is rubbing against your scalp and you don't want to hurt yourself. So make sure you take your time during this hairstyle, but again, it shouldn't take too long if you use this method. And also, this hair is really easy to apply. Now for the actual braid, you want to insert the crochet needle inside of the lock and work your way upwards towards wherever your real hair is, and then you're just going to pull your real hair down and basically hide it in the lock, and you're going to repeat this step until you have no more hair left over. Now it's time to do the back of my hair, which was my favorite part of this whole hairstyle because it was so easy. But all you do is insert the crochet needle anywhere on any cornrow and glide the lock through, and that's basically it. I like this method because it allows you to maximize volume in the back of your head, and also it is less time consuming, so it's a win-win. Alright y'all, so the hair is about 80% done here, but I wanted to just call it a night. But look at how pretty it is already, y'all. I was so geeked. Like, look at me, but I have this much hair left over to put in my hair, so I have plenty. This is how the back is coming along, and this is my hair fully done. Like, I'm gonna just give y'all a second to take it all in, because you need to at this point. Y'all, my hair looks so good. It's super lightweight, it is skin friendly, soft, natural looking. I am here for it. Again, if you're interested, the link is down below. And y'all, look at the length. It's the length for me. But this is the hair 2 days later, still looking flawless. I do want to bedazzle it up a little bit, but I wanted to show it to you guys in this plain, beautiful state. And I also wanted to share some styles you could do. These are just some of the styles that I came up with. Trust me, there are so many options. Go ahead and enjoy these next few styles that you'll see. Also, thank you so much, Toyotress, for sponsoring this video. Your hair quality is amazing, and y'all, I definitely recommend them. But without further ado, I'm gonna let y'all watch the video, but stay tuned because I will be speaking to y'all in the end. Alright guys, so those were just some of the styles that you could do with this hair. Honestly, there are so many options, but this hair is so pretty, it's so vibrant, and I just love how it goes with me. Like I told y'all, I didn't even tell them what color to send me. They just sent me this color, and it is just so beautiful. But go ahead, check them out, guys. Also, let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 50k subscribers. Let's get it, let's go. While you're at it, follow my Instagram at @fufufunny_. I post bomb content on there, and all it's missing is you, honestly. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, fufu out. Love you. Subscribe.